The EcoFlow STREAM AC Pro home battery. Is it really a plug-and-play solution? Well, let's find out. So, let's open up the box and see what's inside. First off, obviously, we have the battery. It's a lot shorter and smaller than what I was expecting, so I'm really pleased about this. The power cable, so we can connect the battery to a power supply. We also have included some brackets to fit it back to the wall so it doesn't fall over, and obviously the instruction manuals. We can then take the provided power supply cable and plug it straight into the back of the battery into the port labelled grid. Simply line it up the correct way and push it in and it'll make a snap sound. You can then take the other end of the cable and wire it into a dedicated supply, but for this demonstration I'm putting a plug on the end so I can plug it into the wall and show you how to set it up on the app. So once you're plugged in, the battery will start up and we'll have a look at connecting it up on the app. So once we've loaded up our app, we then need to click in the plus on the top right hand corner and it'll find a new device. Then we need to click add device and just follow the simple step-by-step guide on how to connect your battery to the system. This process will take a few minutes. So now that it's been connected to our network, we can then add it to our home so we can make it work with a smart meter. And here we can see our panels are producing over 800 watts, our battery is at 93% charge, and we're exporting to the grid. So we're exporting to the grid on this because I have my battery set to charge to a maximum of 95%. I hope this quick guide helped you show how easy it is to set up your home battery, and we'll do some more videos in the future.